Hello and welcome back to another video, guys. So I forgot to do a bit of video, shall I say, for you all. So what I've done is we were cranking it. Obviously it's a salvage vehicle and it's not cranking, it's been in a little bump. When I say a little bump, obviously every tiny bump makes a difference. So it was cranking, you know, it wouldn't turn on. They've looked into the fuel system, no fuel's going to the injectors. So put it through this. These are the codes that have come up. I don't know if you can see it, but that's the codes. Anyway, there are a few fuses that kind of blow in these accidents, and I'll show you exactly what they are. Let me go around to the other side. So you've got a fair few fuses for the fuel pump. So you've got this one 7.5 and this 15. They're the two that was blown. We've changed them, and obviously it still didn't start, you know, after should we say we cranked it, obviously, because there's like air in the fuel system. So we got an easy start, put it through the MAF air flow sensor. So in this here, we put it through, cranked it, got the engine running, sprayed it about a good like 10 seconds or so, and then the engine kind of did a circulation, should we say, and now it's all running fine. So remember, there's them fuses. So you've got this fuse here, you've got that one, sorry, 7.5, that one, and you've got this one as well, and there's one on the engine which is a relay fuse on the engine. It's a fuel pump relay fuse. But yeah, the van's all running, but that's what you need to look out for if these sort of vans do get into an accident.